SVR! SVR! Here we go! Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Bro, at 3
southeastern
a.m.
Woodford
too,
County
that's
in
nice.
central Illinois, northeastern Tazewell County in central
Alright,
Illinois,
man.
northwestern McLean County in central Illinois until 3:45 a.m. At 3:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Holy
located near
crap.
Deer Creek, or 9 miles southwest of Eureka, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Goodfield and Deer Creek around 3:15 a.m. Danvers around 3:20 a.m. Carlock around 3:25 a.m. Normal around 3:30 a.m.
How much shaking?
This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 104 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West XK24 Odell. Severe weather.
Dang.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
That was mid. There we go. There we go.
Child abduction was taken to Northwest County following Elijah B. age 3, male, white, 3 feet, no inches, was standing there, brown eyes, and birthmarks on his left. Child was last